Hey, what's up, Griddle buddies? Hey, I got a sweet treat for you today that you're not going to want to miss. Peaches, ice cream, boy, on the Blackstone Griddle. It's going to be good. Let's go, y'all. That's some good groceries. Hey y'all, while your griddle's pre-warming on low, I want to make a little topping for our peaches and ice cream. So I just got some rolled oats right here, about a little bit over a cup, and we're going to put a little bit of butter on this, just like this. It's so hot out here that the butter has pretty much melted, and we're going to do a little bit of brown sugar, about a tablespoon, a little bit of salt. All right, now you just want to come in with your hands. You just want to mix that up. You want that butter to kind of react with those oats. All right, now that you got your little topping kind of mixed up, ready, we're gonna put it right down onto the griddle, and this is gonna really toast those oats up. That's gonna be good. With your topping, just take your spatula, just kind of press it down. You kind of want every little piece of those oats to kind of get a little piece of the griddle, help make it toast up. So in this area right here, that's where we're gonna do our peaches. We're gonna take some of this butter, good old butter. Mother Nature has pretty much melted for us already. It's hot out here. You can do fresh peaches, or you can just do frozen peaches just like I have here. Put it right onto the griddle top. Just let those fall and get a little bit of char. You can also thaw these beforehand, and that way, you know, it's a little bit easier, or you can go straight from the freezer to the griddle. Doesn't really matter. Let's take a look at our toppings over here. They're heating up nice. They're starting to brown up. It's gonna make a nice little crunchy element on top of our ice cream. Once your peaches have thawed basically and have gotten cooked just a little bit, we're gonna take about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're gonna take a little bit of, this right here is called dessert shake. It's got your cinnamon, it's got your sugar, it's even got some honey powder in it. It's really good stuff. Man, that smells good. And this right here is gonna make a nice little sauce. Again, really you're just warming these peaches through, cooking them just a little bit, just to make them kind of, you know, a little loosey-goosey. That's looking good. Let's look at our oat topping over here, guys. Ooh, it's crisping up nice. That's gonna be so good. Feel like a little bit of granola crunch right on top. All right, once your oats have kind of toasted up real nice here, this is perfect. We're just gonna take those off, put them into a bowl, get ready for the main event. These peaches are nice and soft. They're ready. They don't need very long at all. We're just gonna get these off, put them into a bowl. All right, guys, so the next part of this, I gotta act fast, okay? So now you see me, now you don't. I gotta act fast because it's hot out here. This ice cream is gonna melt so fast. So just a little bit of vanilla ice cream, guys, and just make you a few scoops. We're gonna put these into some waffle cone bowls. Love, love, love waffle cone. There's a scoop there and a scoop right there. Oh yeah, baby. We're gonna put our peaches on this. Ooh, boy, look at those peaches. Boy, it looks good right there. Now, we got a little bit of caramel drizzle. Caramel. Come here, Carl. Woo! Came out a little bit too much for me, but there we go. And we got our little bit of kind of granola, our oats right here, put on top. There we are. Blackstone dessert is done. Boy, it's some good looking groceries. Now, hey, it's time for the best part of the job. We're gonna try this dessert right here. Oh boy, I got a little bit of everything. And the good thing about the bowl, you just bite it. That is a fantastic dessert. And it went literally like less than 10 minutes. Y'all give this dessert a try. I guarantee your crowd will love it as well. Head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find other awesome videos just like this. Also, griddlenation.com. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.